Good morning, sleepyhead. Did you have a good night? Yeah. Good morning. We are waking up at Cooper's Landing on the Katy Trail for day 4 of our ride. We had some raccoons last night, but we were prepared. We had put everything in a big dry bag we had hung it off my bike. However, our neighbors, Bill and Carol,
Did they get in their stuff?
they didn't get in, but they were trying very hard, so they had to shoo them away a couple times. We had to shoo them away a couple times. What are we doing this morning?
I think it's time to make some coffee.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you have water handy?
Yeah, let me grab some water. So instead of having to hunt down coffee, which wastes precious time on the trail, we are making coffee this morning, so we can just have some coffee. I'll have a granola bar, and then
Put on the
we can hit the road.
titanium lip protectors. Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta get those on there. Oh, but other than the raccoons, did you sleep okay?
Yeah, I did.
Are you ready for day 4?
Yeah, so the short day today, unless that should be enough for 2 cups.
Yeah,
So I'll
that's
just
funny.
boil the water. It's gonna get really hot today, so we're gonna get to the next camp spot. Regroup.
Yeah. So originally we would be quite a bit further. Our original plan was, but with how slow we are going and the temps today especially, we decided to cut today down to 11 miles or so, just to get where we're going before the heat really kicks in. We could set up camp and kind of regroup.
Yeah, if the heat gets too bad, we could always just get to that 11 miles up the road, do 10 more, and get a hotel in Jefferson.
Yeah.
And air conditioning.
Right.
Otherwise, we're just be sitting there suffering.
Right. We'll talk about it when we get there.
Yeah, I don't know until we get there.
Yeah. Cheers, baby. We got this.
Haven't had the instant coffee for a while.
It's good, actually.
It's not bad. I'm
not complaining.
I'll stop at Casey's anytime for coffee.
They actually do have good coffee. But now we don't have to hunt it up. We're about ready, getting our gear down. Maybe another 10 minutes here or so. I'm gonna eat a granola bar real quick, and we are gonna
Put the sunscreen on.
get on down the trail
Let's
in
do
a
it.
hurry.
Day 4, baby.
Day 4, we're along the beautiful Missouri River today.
That cool air. I was so hot and sweaty setting up. It was just already warm and humid in the camp this morning at 7 a.m. I was thinking, oh, this is gonna be bad, but the trail's in the shade and the wind off the Missouri is chilly.
Glorious.
It's glorious.
We got a sleepy puppy back there. She says these early mornings are rough.
She likes that UV shirt over there. She sleeps like a baby now.
Loves it, yeah.
It's like her own little den or kennel.
I think we found the magic here.
Yeah, I think it was sensory overload for her so much. She was like always, she couldn't sleep, and
Yeah.
so now she sleeps. Yesterday I watched her in the same position for a couple hours, I think, which was nice.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, well, let's get the next campground. So only 11 miles, but with this wind and stuff, it's going to be a little over an hour, probably hour and a half.
Yeah.
So we'll regroup there and decide if we want to stay.
Okay.
95 degrees today, it says.
Yahoo! Beautiful in here.
It sure is nice and cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Enjoy it while you can, huh?
I know.
It's interesting because this is the path Lewis and Clark took. We're on their route now, and we've cut a few places like that around the country when you're on their trail, and for me it's always interesting because it's like such a surreal feeling when you think about how they did what they did, you know, with the equipment. They didn't have any Casey's General Store to get a cup of coffee and a breakfast sandwich at, you know.
Okay, we made it to Harrisburg. This is where we originally thought 11 miles up that we would pitch a tent here. It's allowed somewhere here. And we're feeling good. It's the first day I felt actually really good and strong.
Active recovery. We've been riding long days, and it's like you go from uncomfortable first day, second day, it's like, oh, this is sore. That was a 45-mile day.
Yeah. Yesterday
was hard getting in the saddle. I woke up today, felt great.
Yeah.
Butt felt good.
So.
TMI.
Yeah, my butt's way better actually. Yesterday it was sore in the morning, but got used to it, and today it's like good. Oh, Pistol stuck. She got stuck, Daddy. So what we did is we had just booked yesterday. We booked 2 nights at a hotel in Jefferson City to wait this heat out. So I called them and added tonight because it's only another, what, 10 miles or so?
Yeah, it's 10 miles away, and it's going to get, well, it's already warm, and it's 8:30. It's warm, but it's supposed to get 95 early today.
So if we set up a tent now, we're sitting in, you know, close to 100-degree heat in a tent, and
it doesn't get below 75 at night.
Yeah,
so I thought, and Pistol is not like in the heat.
Yeah, she's good right now.
So if we get to the hotel by 10 o'clock.
Yeah. I think that's the safest thing, the best thing.
Yeah. I bet you're going to be in a tub.
Oh, I'll be in a shower for sure.
You clean all that.
Oh, it stank. There's so much stank.
A bite?
No, I'll get my own.
Yeah,
so,
I think it's going to be nice to wait out the heat. Then it drops back into 80s. Then we're going to head to a really cool place after the hotel called
Bluffton Barn.
Bluffton Barn, and the infamous Doug on the Katy Trail.
I mean, we say he's infamous. It seems like he is.
It seems like it.
Yeah,
but
so more on that later.
That's going to be awesome.
But, so we're kind of rushing here, taking a break real quick.
I was just thinking.
Oh, should we eat that? Oh.
This is day 4.
Yes.
We'll hit Jefferson today, at the end of day 4, and we'll have ridden about 120 plus miles, so halfway, a little more than halfway.
Not bad. And when we get to Jefferson City, we have to cross over the river again, so.
Yeah, so we get to Jefferson, Katy Trail keeps going, but to go to the hotel, we have to ride across the river on some sky bridge or walking bridge or.
Yahoo!
I looked at the satellite and. Oh no.
Just floats us over top.
I want a hotel, so I'll do it.
Yeah, so it's about 3 miles off trail, I think the map said, but I don't know.
It was awesome that the one that was real close to the trail is accepts pets.
Yes, we have to accommodate the green bean queen, which she has been lacking green beans. So if we can find a grocery store, we're gonna get green beans for her today.
Take an Uber.
Yes.
We're gonna Uber for green beans.
Yes, we'll do it.
She says Cliff Bars are good.
She is good. Okay, let's finish this break up and get on the trail. Get there.
Things were going really well, so we'll see what happens. We got a
detour.
Temporary detour, water over trail ahead. So
pretty bumpy road over there.
Pistol's gonna get a bumpy ride on some gravel.
I'll just scooter across this.
There's the Katy Trail.
Oh, yeah.
Gee, that's some water, eh? I don't see it on the trail yet, but I didn't want to go right down there and see if it was accurate or not. This isn't too bad.
It's pretty.
I'm glad we didn't try it. The trail's, kind of, you can see it, but it's completely flooded over there. That's the trail at the tree line. Just met a couple that were riding towards us. They said it's about a mile up the road. There's a crossing back to the trail. So it's just such a beautiful day, hon. This ain't fun, especially with my narrow tires. Pretty loose gravel and flats. You okay, babe?
I'll get there.
bridge right here. I'm so glad the wind's blowing that way. We'd have been dusted out. But I think that's the bridge right there.
She's not making a peep. There are many detours on the road of life. That was one.
Yeah.
Where's the trail?
Should be up here just a little bit, I would think. Okay, let's get some water and then go find that trail. That was rough.
That was rough.
That was rough. You ready for this, baby?
No. I'm doing it.
Okay. Okay, we're getting ready to cross the Missouri Bridge, and after coming up round and round and round to come up here, we admit it, we walked most of that. I'm guessing we've got we probably got last 4 days close to 20 hours in the saddle.
Yeah.
Our legs are trashed, so we're gonna get across the bridge. It's hot.
Let's go.
Bye bye. Just got to the Capitol Plaza Hotel. We'll be spending a few days here. And I met up with Bill and Carol. Can't check in yet because it's still only 11:30, but they said we can park our bikes in here and hang out in the air conditioning, and then for $10 each, they have all you can eat buffet salad bar. I don't think they know who they're messing with for $10 all you can eat today, but anyway, this is a whole new adventure I hadn't planned on, but it's kind of cool. Adapt.
life we have. Okay.
What do you think, Pistol? Yeah. Yeah. She's excited.
She's happy. She's gonna get a bath as soon as I get a shower and you get a shower. Everyone's getting showers.
She heard bath.
She did.
She knows what that
She's
is.
a dirty gal.
Check out the view.
I can see the top of the Capitol building.
Oh,
See it?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
So this is our home for the next 3 nights, and then we're gonna get an early start and take off again because the temps
Go back over the bridge, hit the trail,
Yeah.
and then head towards Bluffton Barns.
She knows I have some cucumbers for her.
Yeah.
She smelled them. You want some cucumbers?
Since there's no green beans around, we had a salad bar at the hotel with cucumbers.
So she's been getting lots. Yes. Yeah, you're also a cucumber queen. Yeah. Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna hit the shower. And we will see you guys next time. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
Carry
carry on.